Welcome back, kindergarten writers. Today we're going to talk a little bit about writing a pattern book, kind of a little bit like what you did yesterday, and kind of like what you're going to see right here. Before we actually begin this story, though, I wanted to have you use your writing folder, and I want you to make sure that you update it with our two sight words that we have added for this week. So the first sight word that we added this week is little, Little. It's little, little me. I can spell it, little is Little. And then we have the word play. So make sure that you add the word little and play to your word wall. And if you haven't yet, make sure you do has and he. Those were our two sight words from last week. I'll make sure I put a note of that in Google Classroom to remind you when it's time for you to start your writing. So as I mentioned today, you are going to be writing a pattern book like the one you see here. The name of this pattern book is called I Like Red. And in this story, you are going to notice that this author used the same words I and like on every single page. You're going to be doing that same thing. And I'll know that you understand a pattern book and how to make one when I can see you starting to use patterns like the words I and like to start off your words. I'm going to read this first, and you can read along with me if you'd like. It is a pattern book, so I'm pretty certain you'll know exactly what it is saying. I like red. I like red. He loves all things red, doesn't he? Look, and it starts off with those pattern words again. I like blue. And he's around everything that's blue. I like yellow. Wow, look at that beautiful yellow hair. I like green. Looks like they're almost in a jungle, doesn't it? I like orange. That is an enormous flower, and look at those huge orange earrings. I like purple. She looks like she even has some purple glasses there. Oh, this gives us an idea of maybe why he likes red. I notice that these purple birds are kind of afraid to come land on him. The yellow birds are running away. The bluebirds just won't even come near him. But look at those red birds. Those red birds land right on him. That must be why he says, I like red. So today, your job is going to be to use your writer's workshop paper. And I want you to start off your sentence with those same words called I and like. So I'm going to get my paper out right here. I'm going to make sure I put my name on the top. I'm remembering those rules that Mr. Miller taught us about writing and how our words have to be in a certain part of each line to make our handwriting look better. And now I need to think about some things that I like. These things have to be related. So I couldn't say I like shoes, I like pizza, and I like cars. Those aren't really related. They aren't the same. They aren't in the same category. So I want to think of some things that are in the same category. Right away, something that comes to mind is I like school. I've liked it ever since I was a little girl, and I think that's probably why I became a teacher. So we have to write 3 things that we would like about that. Before I can even start writing, remember, I have to think about what it is I'm going to say. I have to say it to someone else. I have to point to my paper and say it again, and then I can add my lines in my writing. So I like school. That's my first thing I like. The second thing that I like teaching. So I'm going to add that. And I like students. So that's my third thing. I have 3 things. I like school. I like teaching. I like students. So now it's time for me to say it to someone else. Can I say it to you? Okay. I like school. I like teaching. I like students. Now it's time for me to put my finger on my paper and pretend that my words are already there. I like teaching. Oh, I didn't say that first. I said school. I'll start over. I like school. I like teaching. I like students. Now I'm ready to add my lines. Your very first two words that you are going to use, all of you, every single one of you, are going to be I and like. It's this last word here that's going to be different. So remember, mine said, I like school. I'm going to write those words first. I and like are both sight words. If I'm not exactly sure how to spell them, I can flip over to the back to my portable word wall. I can find my sight word I, and I can find my sight word like, L-I-K-E. But I already know those. Those are up in my brain. Like, L-I-K-E. Like. I like school. So you can either use your roller coaster, you can use your chopper, or you can stretch each sound out really far. So I think I'm going to stretch it out. Ooh, I remember asking someone and they told me O and O say ooh. O, O. Ooh. And I'm going to put my period. That was my first sentence. I like school. Now it's time for my second one. I like teaching. So I'm going to put my lines. I like teaching. Notice how I know that the word I isn't a very long word, so I made it short. And the word like isn't a very long word, so I made that line short. But I know this word's going to have a lot more sounds that I need, so I made sure to make that line a little bit longer. I like teaching. I is my first sight word. I already know it. Like, that's my next sight word. And now I wanted to write teaching. I'm going to break that one up into two syllables. Teach-ing. Teach-ing. And I'm going to start first with teach. T, t, e, ch, ch, ch. That's a sound I'm not familiar with. That's a sound that I know none of these letters make. But I do know that I have a little helper spot in here, and I can see ch, ch, C and H. It's the first sound in chair. So just like ch in teach, ch in chair. So I need C and H. I have the first part, teach-ing, teach-ing. And I know that's in here too. Ing, ing, I-N-G, I-N-G. And I'm going to put my period there. My last sentence, I like school. I like teaching. And the last one said, I like students. I like students. I'm going to write my line. I like students. Now I know exactly where it is that I need to do my writing, and I know exactly what my first two words are going to be. I know my first word has to be I. I know my second word has to be like. And then my last one is going to be students. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up on my own time, and I'd like you to think of three things that you like. Three things that are kind of all related that belong to the same group. You are going to start your paper off with the same words that I did. I like, and the same exact words that our author did from our story. I like red. Happy writing. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.